Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can delete your Coinbase account. Alright, now to delete your Coinbase account, you need to have $0 on your Coinbase. So right now I have $0.006, so this much shouldn't matter, but make sure you have $0 on your Coinbase account. For that, you can transfer your money and crypto out of your Coinbase account. Once you do that, follow for the next step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. Once you're over here, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and go on where it says setting. Now once you go on setting over here, you want to go on activity. Now once you go in activity section, all of like the activity which you have done under Coinbase is going to be shown over here. So once you're over here, scroll all the way down. Alright, and over here at the bottom you can see this close account option over here. So right now over here, withdrawal fund and close your Coinbase account. Alright, so this says this cannot be undone. So it's like warning you, once you click on it, it cannot be undone. So to close your account, click on close account and enter your account's password and click on close account. Once you enter your password and click on close account, a verification code is going to be sent to your email or phone number for security purpose. Once you do that, basically it should be done and your account should be deleted. And remember, once your account is deleted, it's deleted. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can delete your Coinbase account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.